years. I come to know about meditation when I was younger age, when I was pursuing my uh, intermediate. So I come to know about meditation. From there, my journey started. I have seen so many changes in my life. I can able find my path. I can able to understand my purpose of life. So today I'm here, my dear friends, to share my wisdom, whatever I have learned all these 12 years. 12 years. And meditation really transformed me, and not only me, and it transformed many people. Those who are serious, those who are dedicated about their practice. And friends, this meditation is not related to any religion. And all our teachings are not related to any religion. It's all about our mind, soul, and body. There are different kinds of meditation practices. And this is a very simple meditation that we are going to practice. You may be practiced different methods. And friends, this is a very simple method that you are going to learn, that you are going to practice. Everybody is looking for health, happiness, joy, and freedom. How you can achieve that? We have been looking, we have been praying, we have been going to many places, many temples, many religious places to find the happiness, to find the joy, to find the freedom, to find complete health. Are we achieving that? Are we living happy? So friends, no need to go anywhere. Your happiness is with you. Your joy is with you. The key is with you. And you are going to unlocking that at your place by just practicing meditation, my dear friends. So friends, let me take to the presentation. So what we are going to learn this 21 days, my dear friends. I don't see anyone. I can see only one person turn on the camera. I hope everyone is there. I can see that people are registered for these course from Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan. So all my friends from the neighbor country. Yes. Okay. I have been Sri Lanka 2 times. I've been to Kandy, I've been to Sigiriya. Yes. Okay. Let me take to the presentation, friends. Okay. So hope everybody can see this presentation. Okay. So friends, during this course, you are going to learn what is meditation and benefits of meditation, experiences of meditation. What is really meditation? We have different opinions, different understanding, because we are coming from different religion background with different understanding. But what really is meditation? And we are going to practice some breathing exercises which helps for to go into deeper meditative state. And we are going to understand about the thoughts, how thoughts working, how thoughts are really functioning, where whatever you are thinking, where it goes, and what really happening. And this is all about the science, my dear friends. It is not something a belief system. No, it's all about the science. Everything in the science on this world. And the pyramid energy, how the pyramids are helpful for your meditation. We know that pyramids are, when I say the pyramid, the first thing comes to your mind is a Giza pyramid from Egypt, right? So why the pyramids are constructed, what is the purpose of pyramid, how these pyramids are helpful for meditation. So that's why I'm going to learn. And the law of attraction, so what you think that comes to your life, what you're thinking, either positive or negative, that comes to your life. So we need to correct our thoughts, we need to change our attitude. Okay. And interacting with the various spiritual masters, like, those who are fellow meditation practitioners with me, and I have learned from them. And those who are practicing meditation with me, and those who have transformed their life just by practicing meditation. And my teacher, Brahmarshi Patriji, who is the founder of Pyramid Spiritual Societies movement, and I'm going to introduce him to you people one day, to interact with him and to listen to them, what meditation helped them to transform their life. Okay, so friends, these are the things we are going to learn, and this is a 21 days completely a free session, friends. And we're just learning, we're just learning about meditation, and there is no end for meditation, friends. This is, you're just learning in the 21 days, and this continues forever. It's not like when I learned to meditation 21 days, okay, that's enough. I become a Buddha, I become a master, I become something. No, it's a continuous journey. You have to practice every day, like how you are feeding your physical body by giving the food, like you have to feed your soul by practicing meditation, my dear friends. Okay. So why we need meditation? You're here in this early morning, 6:30 for some people, for Sri Lanka 6:30, for Pakistan 6, and Bangladesh is 7 a.m. So why you are all here in this morning? You can sleep. I can also sleep. Why we're all here? For me, I want to help some people. Whatever I learn, I want to help. I want to teach whatever I learn to gain some good things in my life, good deeds. This is my good deed. Waking up in the morning and helping many people, those who are coming to me. So that's my happiness. And why are you here? Some people, you're looking for some relaxation to come out of from the stress, to come out of some challenges in your life, to deal the challenges. And some people are struggling with their health. They have everything. They have money, they have good relationship, but some problems in the body, heart problems, kidney problems, migraine, sinuses, blah, 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 many, many. So how can we overcome all those illnesses? You have everything, but not living properly, not eating properly. You have abundance. You are living in abundance. Whatever you want, you get it, but you cannot able to enjoy it. Okay. And some people, they have everything. They have good health, they have financial freedom, they have everything, but something is lacking inside. What is that? What you are in inside is looking for, the true joy, true happiness, that's come within, my dear friends. So friends, by practicing meditation, you're traveling into your inner world and correcting yourself, and you're getting whatever you really needed in this lifetime. So that's the power of meditation that you are going to learn from today. And there are different kinds of benefits, many benefits by practicing meditation, friends. And this is our meditation is our true nature, that was practicing from ancient times. Our ancestors, they were all practicing meditation. This is not something a new word that we are listening now, meditation. So this is our nature, but we forgot, and we are attached with all our material things, and we're not taking a right food, not practicing right things. That's why all these problems, health issues, that's coming in our life. Okay. Okay, so today I just want to share some little information about the mind, how the mind works, what the mind job. The mind job is thinking, right? Mind job is thinking. That is the mind job. So the mind is the sum total of all our thoughts. On an average, a human being thinks about 60,000 thoughts per day. See, friends, in 24 hours, in 24 hours time, we're all thinking 60,000 thoughts per day. Remember that, whether you are consciously or unconsciously, but the mind is continuously thinking, chartering. It's happening even during the sleep. Your mind is still functioning. When you wake up in the morning, you start thinking. So today, you start thinking. After meditation, you have to go for office. You have to take breakfast, and you have to do something. You're thinking, you're planning. Keep on thinking. So that is the mind job. Okay, every thought charges the energy from you. So most of these thoughts dwell either in the past or the future. Whatever you are thinking now, either you're thinking about the past, either thinking about the future, not the present moment. You're planning for something future, or you're thinking about the past that happened yesterday or day before yesterday, 1 year ago, 2 years ago, or 1 month ago. So not the we're not thinking in the present moment. Okay. So the thoughts either be in the future or either in the past, not in the present moment. An uncultivated land becomes a full of weeds. Similarly, an uncultivated mind becomes full of unwanted thoughts. So, if you think about, you have a piece of land, okay? You bought that land 10 years ago, or your father or somebody bought the land and they forgot, or you forgot. After some time, you went and see the place. There, you can find all the creeds and different uh, trees are grown there, and all the neighbors they throw all the garbage on your land, but you don't know, you didn't care of that land. That's why everybody's throwing all their garbage, and on the all unwanted plants are grown there. So if you how can you build a house there, beautiful house? You have to clean it. You have to take time to clean that place. Otherwise you cannot do it, right? You cannot build a house. Because why this happened? Because you didn't take care of your land. That's why all these things happen. Now you have to spend your money, your time to take out all these things. Similarly, my dear friends, you have to take care of your mind. If you're not taking care of your mind, you don't know what you're thinking. You don't know what is really happening in your life. You must take care of your mind. Like how you're taking care of your body by feeding the food, by giving the food. Of course, in that also we're doing some wrong thing. We don't know how to give the right food to our body. So you have to take care of your mind. You have to make your mind peaceful. You have to run like that. If problems are creating continuously, you have to stop and think on it. You have to think whether what kind of thoughts I'm releasing is a positive or negative or disastrous. What kind of these thoughts? You have to stop and think on it. So if you're taking care of your mind, then your life is happy. How you can take care of your mind? By practicing meditation, your mind become empty. Your mind become empty, my dear friends. So that is a reason we have to practice. You have to clean all unwanted things which you have covered from your childhood, unconsciously or consciously. So that naturally leaves from you by practicing meditation. So what is meditation? Okay. Many people have a different opinions, different ideas on meditation. Okay. So meditation means total cessation of all restless waves of the mind, making it crystal clear. So what meditation means? Making your mind empty, no thought state, thoughtless state. That is the meditation. You're sitting and closing your eyes and thinking something. That is not meditation. You're closing your eyes, chanting something. That is not meditation. You're closing your eyes, visualizing something. That is not meditation. You have to make your mind empty. How to make your mind empty? What is the procedure? Then what I have to do by after closing my eyes? Meditation essentially trying the mind to access and focus on inner awareness. So when you start doing meditation, you can be focused on your inner side, not outer side. So when you close your eyes, you're going into inward, not outer world. When you open your eyes, you are in outer world. When you close your eyes, you are in inner world. So by practicing meditation, you know what's really happening inside, in body level, mind level, and soul level. We can able to understand. You're the right person to understand your own self. You're the right person to understand your body, mind, and everything. Okay. So now, how to practice meditation? Okay. So let's and okay and the okay benefits of meditation. So friends, immediate healing. You are suffering with any diseases, chronic diseases, some kidney problem, some heart issues, a migraine, a sinuses, whatever, you can feel a complete healing. And this is not happen easily by sitting one day. You have to practice more and more to heal yourself. Okay. And enhancing memory power. Those who are students or those who are lack of memory power, if they practice meditation, and this is a benefit for them to enhance their memory power. And wasteful habits die naturally. So if you're doing meditation every day, whatever the addictions, bad habits, that's go away from you naturally, and mind becomes joyful. You feel and joyful, like you don't worry about anything. You will not worry about the past. You will not worry about the future. You are enjoying in the present moment, and you feel joy. And work becomes efficient. So if you're working and you're struggling to make one task on time, if you practice meditation, if your task you are going to complete a 1 hour or 2 hours or one day, and you can able to reduce the time. So for example, you are going to complete one task in 1 hour, and that can be done in 20 minutes. Because you are going to implement new methodology and new ideas, creative ideas comes by practicing meditation. Okay. And sleep time is reduced. So why we are sleeping? Why we are sleeping? So when our body become tired, okay, our body needs sleep. Tiredness means lack of energy. If you're energetic, you don't want to go for sleep. You're doing something. You're doing work, or you're watching movies, or you are reading the books and doing something. When you're tired, normally, naturally, your body needs sleep, and you are not even you're trying to not to sleep, but your body is going to sleep because you're tired. So when you practice meditation, my dear friends, 1 hour meditation is equal to 6 hours sleep. 1 hour meditation means 1 hour emptiness, 1 hour thoughtlessness, that is equal to 6 hour sleep. Okay. And qualitative relations. So this is a most important benefit, because the current life and many people are having the relationship problem, wife and husband, with the family members, children and parents, and relatives. Okay, these relationships problems arising because of lack of understanding. We're not understanding each other. So that's the reason the problems are arising. So by practicing meditation, you can able to understand yourself, not others. When you understand yourself clearly, you can also understand others, because the same whatever you are experiencing, that others also experiencing. So this is also the most important benefit that you are going to get by practicing meditation. And power of thought, and this is a, okay, like, if you manifest anything in your life, you need to have a thought, you need to have a desire to manifest. To manifest very quickly and powerfully, you need some energy, the manifestation power. So that thought power you will gain through meditation. Okay. So friends, there are some myths and misconceptions about meditation. And many people think one is to go to forest or mountain for meditation. No need to go anywhere, my dear friends. You can be at your home. You can be at your home. Just practice meditation. You can go to the forest. You can go to the mountain for some time to experience the nature, to experience meditation there. But for especially for meditation, you don't have to go anywhere. You can practice at your home. I have been practicing from my home since 12 years, and everybody's practicing meditation from their home. Okay. And one needs a supervision of guru for meditation. No need any guru, my dear friends. Your breath is your guru. So I'm just giving all the information. After that, I will not be with you. Only your breath is your guru, your master. So when you be with your breath, that takes to you where you want to go, and you will get the guidance from there. Okay. And meditation is an escape from a world responsible. Many people thinks that, okay, I don't want this life. I will give up and I will go and become a monk or become a saint. I don't want this family. And many people, this happens coming, this escapism from their challenges. If many problems comes in family, okay, I don't want this. I will go and become a monk and become a saint. So you're escaping, actually, you're not handling your challenges. So you are fear about your family, you're fear about your society, then you want to become a monk or saint. So you don't have a capacity to handle these situations. So then you're escaping. No, friends. You never escape. If you escape from the current situation, whatever the problem, and wherever you go, even you go into the monastery, even you go into the some other place, even you go into the mountains, you also get the same problem, because the problem is a lesson for you to learn. If you're not learning this lifetime, the lesson comes in the next lifetime. So don't escape. No need to escape from any responsibilities. You be at your home, practice your meditation. And many people say that it's very difficult to meditate. Yes, I can also say that. If you practice in one, if you practicing it one day and saying if it is difficult, it's a difficult. I can say that singing also difficult. Because it's not possible to sing. And day one, I need to learn everything. And it's take a time to become a expert in singing. It's a take a time. For everything is a practice. If you're not practicing and saying it's a difficult, oh, I can't do it, then you can't do it. So without a practice, you can't do anything. You can't get anything. Only practice. Only practice and dedication, my dear friends. You can achieve that. And meditation is only for religious people. No, 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 no. Meditation is for everyone. It is not a religious task. And this is not at all religious. So in this meditation, we are not going to chant any mantra. We are not going to think any God. We are just going to observe our natural breath. Those who are having the breath, they must practice meditation. And meditation is a emptiness. A meditation is a silence. And meditation helps to connect with your source. Okay. So, what is meditation, my dear friends? So, what kind of meditation we are going to practice? So, we are going to practice the meditation. The name is Anapanasati meditation. Many people heard about this Anapanasati meditation, but only few people practicing the right Anapanasati meditation. So, friends, in Pali language, Ana means in breath, Apana means out breath, Sati means observe. So, the breath is happening to me, and breath is happening to you. So, while I'm talking, the breath is naturally happening. I'm not doing anything. Okay? So, you have to observe your breath, how it is going inside and coming outside, the natural breath. And don't put any efforts on your breathing. No, just observe it, closing your eyes and observing the breath, the natural breathing. When you start observing your breath, your thoughts going somewhere, it going into the past, it going to the future, it bringing everything, your mind, okay, bringing everything, all the thoughts. And you have to leave everything. And slowly you have to take out everything and bring your attention to the breath. Again, thought comes, my dear friends. You have to ignore your thoughts. Again, you have to bring your attention to the breath. Okay, this happens. You have to train your mind. You have to practice this. After some time, you are going into deep silence with your own practice, with your own observing the breath. So, the posture for meditation, you have to cross your both hands fingers, locking the both hand fingers, and sitting in a comfortable posture. If you can also you can sit on the floor. You can also take chair support. You can also take wall support. Okay, and no need to keep your backbone straight. No, make your body comfortable. Sit in a comfortable posture. Don't trouble your body. And any comfortable posture. So you have to cross your both hand fingers, cross your legs, and close your eyes. So if anybody wearing glasses, you have to remove glasses. That's all. Very simple posture, simple practice, and observing our natural breath. This is the meditation, friends. Very simple and powerful. Okay. If you practice this meditation, you can see many benefits. You can see so much transformation in your life. Okay. So this is about what today, the introduction about the meditation. And if you have any questions, how, and you can raise your hands so that I will take up and I will answer, and only in 5 minutes, and then we practice meditation. So you can raise your hands in Zoom so that I can able to answer. If you don't have any question, directly we go into the meditation. Okay. Okay, friends. Then okay. Sit in a comfortable posture, my dear friends. Remove your glasses. If you have any questions, we will take it after meditation. Okay. And I request you everyone on the camera. I can see only few people on the camera. If you're on the camera, I can able to guide you if you are making any mistakes. So after few days, you can also, you don't need to on your camera. Okay, sit in a comfortable posture. Cross your both hand fingers like this and cross your legs and close your eyes. So make yourself comfortable, my dear friends. So the normal posture, crossing, locking our both hand fingers and sitting in a comfortable posture. So in this beautiful morning, we're all practicing meditation. So please do not open your eyes during meditation, my dear friends. Next 20 minutes. We can able to change our life. We can able to transform our life with our own practice, with our own energy. So please do not open your eyes, my dear friends. Sitting in a comfortable posture. Today we all are going to enter into the deep silence. Forget about everything for a few minutes. There is no hurry now. There is nothing to do now. Just relaxing. Complete relaxation. Let us all connect with our body. Bring your attention to your right leg toes, foot, ankles, knee, thigh, waist, stomach, chest, shoulders, and bring your attention to your left leg toes, foot, ankle, knee, thighs, waist, stomach, chest, shoulders, your right hand fingers, your elbow, left hand fingers, elbow, your throat, chin, mouth, nose, eyes, ears, your forehead, your center of the head, and entire your body. It's going into complete relaxation. Every muscle, every organ in your body relaxing now. Now just bring your attention to your natural breathing. Don't put any efforts on your breathing. Normal breathing. Your incoming and outgoing breath. If your breath is deeper and longer, let it be deeper and longer. If your breath is shorter and shallow, let it be shorter and shallow. Just witness the flow of breathing. Meditation means emptying the mind. Meditation means traveling within. No chanting mantra or no thinking about any god image. Just be with your natural breathing. If your mind is wandering here and there, bring back to the present moment and stay here with your breath. As you breathe in, you are receiving fresh and positive energies. As you breathe out, you are releasing all stale and negative energies. Just be with your incoming and outgoing breath. Don't go behind your thoughts. Your thoughts are like passing clouds in the sky. Just ignore your thoughts and observe your natural breath. Last 2 minutes. follow with your breath, my dear friends. Don't entertain any thoughts. Last 1 minute. Thirty seconds. Ten seconds. Five, four, three, two, one, zero. Keep your both hands, fingers on your eyes. And gently open your eyes. Okay, so welcome back, friends. So after meditation, you can keep your both hand fingers on your eyes like this. Okay, the energy which you have received through fingers, again you're sending back through your eyes. Okay, and after meditation, before meditation, and drink more water. This water helps, and it's like cleansing. And friends, if you have any questions, and you can raise your hands. uh, so there is an option in the Zoom, so there you can raise your hand so that I can able to unmute. In Zoom application you can find the option that raising the hand. You can raise your hand so that I can able to call you. Okay, here. Yes, madam. Hemnati. Sorry.
Hemanti. Good
Hemanti.
morning, sir.
Yes, madam.
Good morning, sir.
Yes. Good
I
morning.
have, when I did the meditation, sometimes my mind is not in the breathing position.
Mm-hmm.
Mind is
You
running
can down your
everywhere.
hand. You can down your hand.
Mind is running everywhere. And with the noises coming through my windows also.
Mm.
So several times I want to concentrate in my breath, but sometimes I lost my
Mm.
concentrate. How can
Mm.
I
Only practice,
concentrate?
madam. Only practice.
Only practice.
Only practice. The practice makes man perfect. Any practice. If I want to sing, I want to become a singer, I want to sing every day. Wherever I go, even I go into bathroom, I have to sing. I have to learn. Right? That is my, I want to sing. I want to become a cricketer. I want to play the cricket because my goal is to become a great cricketer. I don't go to the school, I go to the playground because my goal is that.
And
So if you want to
yes,
go into deep meditative state, you have to practice. If you want to real
and
peaceful life, you have to practice. You want to happy life, you want to practice. You have to
yes.
practice.
And in the last moment, I was falling to asleep.
That's okay. During meditation, we go into the sleep state. That's okay. No issues. Okay. Okay, madam. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes. Anybody, friends? And I don't see only 4 or 5 members on the camera. Others are, I don't know whether you are available here or not. Okay. So if you're on the camera, I can know, okay, I am teaching someone who are here. Okay. So any questions? No questions? Okay. So friends, every day, please be on time. Okay. Only practice, only practice. Please remember that. Today you practice, oh, I can't do it this meditation. Oh, this is not for me. If you say that, that is not for you. When you practice every day, at least these 21 days, if you don't have any change, then you don't do it. If you don't see any change, 1% change, don't do it. You find someone, something. Don't waste your time. If you feel some change, then you continue. Okay, with practice only. Do first, then you don't get anything, don't do it. If you find something, then you practice. Okay. And friends, please be on time every day, the same time, with the same link. You join with the same link. Okay. Today we have started uh, 4 minutes late because all the new participants joining. So that's why I started late. But be on time to continue our sessions. So we'll be continuing 21 days every day. We don't have a session on Sunday. Okay. And you are going to see miracles or changes in your life. You're going to interact many faster. This is like a like-minded community. So like-minded people. So all you are other like-minded people. So you are here to learn. You have to be live happily, healthy. That's why you are here. So we have some group energy here. Okay, doing meditation with the group is more powerful than doing individual. Initially, this group energy helps each other. Then you can practice anywhere at any time. Okay. So I can see so many messages, but if you're sending so many messages here, I can't read. because there are so many. So if anyone want to communicate, you can raise your hand so that I can able to answer. Okay, fine. So friends, thank you very much, and have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Master Ji.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
It was a wonderful session.
Thank you so much.
Terima kasih.